Her little cake. First birthday to my baby girl. Hi, Malia. Happy birthday, sweet girl. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is me. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, yes, mommy. I'm outside on the porch, so I wanted to put together a little video for you guys to show you behind the scenes of some of the footage I caught of what I did for my daughter, set up for her little birthday shoot that I had inside my tiny New York City apartment. So it's basically a DIY photo shoot. I didn't get to catch everything because I couldn't navigate filming, like getting blowing up the balloons, like setting up the decoration, doing everything. But I got some footage of behind the scenes and I will put it together for you guys. So I just wanted to come on here and chat a little bit. So we're out. I'm letting her get some fresh air. I'll show you guys her in a few. But yeah, so that's what you'll be seeing after this little chit chat session. This won't be long. Ooh! Malia. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let them see. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. So that's her, guys. So I'm guessing because I was busy recording, she decided that is her segment. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry. Okay. It's your segment. I'm gonna feature you now. Hi, my love. You wanna say hi to everyone? Yeah, say hello. Hi, mama. Okay, go play with the car. So yeah, guys, so you see what just happened. Okay. Oh, hi, my love. Hi, mama. You look nice. Yeah. I'm a mother. Yeah. Kiss your mom. So yeah, guys. So that's what I've been doing, and I just wanted her to get some fresh air because, to be honest, I've been so exhausted since I was supposed to take some other photos because, I'll be making an album for her, because she only turned one once. So that's what I wanted to do. I think that's the ice cream truck. You want to go get ice cream? Yeah? No? Okay, let's see if we could go down. Guys, we're going to go get ice cream. Okay, guys. Ooh. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and got some ice cream. The ice cream truck is called Mr. Softy. So this is what we got. I think this is a rum and raisin flavor. This is the only one I like. And I got this is the giant vanilla good humor brand. So yeah, I came out just in time. But yeah, guys, just it's not gonna be a lot because I didn't actually make a full video of the entire thing. I kind of just have clips. Okay, it's good, but let's open this one, mama. I'll give you some of this one. But yeah, I had a good time. She had a good time. My God, it was the hardest thing to get the decoration up. All right, bite it. Delicious. Mm. Oh, she like it, so she's not pulling away. She's a year old now, so this is the first she's trying any dairy product. Don't mess mommy up, baby. Okay, she's wiping it on me. The first she's trying anything, first I'm putting it at her mouth. But yeah, it was such an amazing day. Such an amazing experience to like set up her little photo shoot area. I had fun in it too. I got into a few of the pictures on her actual birthday. So I did the smash cake and I did some photos in her dress. The day before her birthday, on her actual birthday, is when we let her cut her big cake and put her in her little actually birthday outfit with her, you know, with the happy birthday on it and everything, which I have clips of all of those. But I don't remember if I have an actual straight video. But whatever I have, I'll put it together so you guys can see. But trust me, I had an amazing time. I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that her birthday was amazing. She had fun. And then yesterday, both of us was knocked out. We slept. We slept. We were so tired because I was supposed to get on here, try to make a video. But then when I checked the video came out crazy. So I don't know. Depends on which one came out better. I might use this footage or use the one from yesterday. But either way, whichever one you guys see, I hope you enjoy. I hope you like the video, share everything. But we had a good time. It's good, mama. But yeah, guys, so remember to like, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on so you don't miss any of the videos. And thanks for everyone who's commented, who's liked the video, who's subscribed, even the ones that don't subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for all the well wishes to my daughter. Thank you so much to everybody. We really appreciate it. She might can't respond, but trust me, she appreciates too, because she was so happy. It's like she knew it was her day. She kept saying birthday, birthday. And my mother, my sister, my youngest of my sister that is here in the States with me, and my niece, one of my two nieces that is here, came over, so she get to see extended family for her birthday, which was even more super amazing. So it was really nice. Mommy, don't do that. Why are you doing that? Don't do that, mama. See, I'm giving you. You can't eat chunks of it at the time. I'm not gonna take it away. That's why I got this one, because I didn't want you to eat the other one. It's okay, my love. Don't mess with that. So guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I'm gonna cut the video here. So hey guys, so this is the scene behind me of my little setup that I did for my daughter. So I'll show you. Actually, let me reverse the camera. This is it. A little photo shoot area. This is day 2. Day 2. All right. Happy birthday, baby. Happy first birthday. Hi, my love. Sweet girl. Okay, so she has to be put in the high chair because she was pulling down everything. So this is the little setup, the little backdrop over here, and a little balloon thing. And this is the birthday girl. Happy birthday, mama. And this is her first outfit. We're gonna do this smash cake outfit now. Hi, my love. Beautiful girl. This is her smash cake session. She successfully did her smash cake, or should I say mush cake. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Hi, my love. Hi, mama. Yay! So delicious. Happy birthday, my darling. Happy first birthday, Malia. Hi, mama. Okay, so this is, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my darling. Happy birthday to you. So this was a successful smash cake. Hi, mama. You're so pretty. Happy birthday, my love. Happy first birthday. So yeah, guys, so we successfully cut the cake, you know. Here's my little piece, here's hers, and this is her dad's. And she is doing her thing. Hi, mama.